Hi, I'm Kendra Summer with JMS Performance Group, and today we've got company founder Chris Johnson showing our buddy Dave just how easy it is to install two of JMS's mainstay products. Together, their PedalMAX along with their BoostMAX. Take it away, Chris.
What we recommend doing is taking the power wire and connecting it first to either a terminal on the battery or a terminal on one of the physical fuse panels. So once this is done and tight, then we're going to go ahead and physically remove the battery terminal that's using at number 10. All you have to do is run the MAP sensor harness directly to the MAP sensor on top of the manifold. One is labeled tip, turbo inlet pressure, the other one's labeled MAP, manifold pressure. The turbo inlet pressure sensor, disconnect, plug in the JMS harness, plug the JMS harness right into the sensor. So the next step is to take the single position connector that we ran from the battery, plug it right into the BoostMAX harness, makes a click, then take the BoostMAX unit itself, connect it to the harness. Next you're going to run the PedalMAX 4-position wire through the firewall. You plug it into the wire harness for the BoostMAX, which connects it to the pedal. PedalMAX connects to the 26-pin connector simply by plugging it in. Then you're going to connect this to the pedal and to the factory wiring harness and strap it up underneath the dash. Now you take the PedalMAX harness and plug it into the BoostMAX harness. This connector then from the PedalMAX harness plugs into the pedal, and this connector from the BoostMAX harness plugs into the factory harness, and then we go make some power.
Now to download the complete installation instructions for PedalMAX and BoostMAX, head on over to www.jmschip.com. And to see vehicle-specific installations, go to www.youtube.com/JMSchip.
Go ahead and crank it up. Excellent. Spin some tires, baby.
For JMS Performance Group, I'm Kendra Summer.